What's up, pussycats? The best party of the year. That's what. Tonight at the Tiger Milk Cafe, everybody is invited.
Shh! Don't tell anyone. Just between you and me. Tiger Milk Party tonight. Totally exclusive.
Whoa!
Scamp!
Hey, is that my favorite park? What's the rumpus?
I need a DJ tonight for a huge party at the Tiger Milk Cafe. All a bit last minute. Do you know anyone who can help?
Leave it with me. I know a cool cat or two.
There's a big queue. This party is gonna go down in history.
But there's so much to do. We've got to clean up and get everything ready before my parents come back. Why is there a massive crowd outside? We could barely get in. And what's happened in here?
Surprise!
I'm throwing a party?
For the cafe. Munchkin's been working so hard, so we thought we'd celebrate and have fun and keep all the customers happy. Ta-da! Sardine souffle? Not enough sardine.
A party's a nice idea, but there are too many cats outside. We don't have enough food, drinks, or entertainment. We're going to have to close the cafe for tonight. Let's put away the shopping first.
But the party can't be over before it's even begun.
This is all my fault. I've let my parents down.
We can make this work. We can show your parents we have everything covered. Let's make this the best party they've ever seen. Bow Meow crew, what say you?
Did someone order a DJ?
Yay, Scamp! Where's the DJ?
You're looking at her, kitty cats.
See? We'll get by with a little help from our friends. Let's get this party started. Make your shrimp stew, Dad. Everyone loves that. But easy on the celery. Get as many boxes of Pupsy as you can.
Out of my way! I hear there's free prune juice.
This party is a pooper.
What a catastrophe.
Huh?
Okay, when I say kitty, you say cat. Kitty!
Cat?
Kitty!
Cat!
When I say doggy, you say bark. Doggy.
Bark!
Doggy.
Bark!
Hey, DJ, spin those wheels. And Mr. Wheels, spin your wheels.
Steady! I can feel the prune juice starting to move.
Shrimp stew, anyone? Not too much celery.
How did you pull this off?
It's all down to Munchkin. He's the cat in charge.
This is turning out to be a very special night. Great work, Munchkin.